Hi guys. So actually I'm planning to make videos on the tricks on maths, and these are the basic tricks whenever we attempt any examinations. So these are essential things. So like CSET, SSC and bankings, these tricks can help you in the calculation. So first of all, my name is Dikshant, and today I'm discussing the problem based on squares. So today we will discuss in this video lecture how to find the squares nearby 1 to 50. So if you want to find any square nearby 50 or like nearby 100, there are some few tricks by which your calculation time you can reduce. So let me open my notes. So I will tell you first thing. So guys, first of all we will discuss nearby 50 squares. Okay. So first of all I will tell you two concepts. So like if any number nearby 50, if you want to find any number squares nearby 50 or nearby 100, two concepts are must. First of all, nearby 50, the base number will be 25, and nearby 100 the base number will be the number itself. So base number plays very important role in finding the squares. Okay, so these are the base numbers. So like first of all I will take some examples by which you can understand very well. So like 41 squares you want to find, 41 square. So 41 square you want to find, then what you need to do? First of all tell me 41 is nearby 50. So nearby 50, what will be the base? So base will be the 25. And tell me how much lesser from 50 this 41 is 9. So 50 minus 41, it will be 9. So this 9 you have to subtract from the base number. So what is the base number is 25, because this number is nearby 50. So 25 minus 9, what you will get? 16. And this 16 will be the left part of the answer, and this 9 square will be the right part of the answer. So left part 16 and right part 9 square is 81. So this is the answer we found. So see here, same thing, 50 minus 41 is 9, and how much 9? Like that 9 we have to subtract from the base number. 25 minus 9 is 16, that will be the left part of the answer, and square of 9 is 81, and that will be the right part of the answer. So this is the 41 square. Next thing I will tell you that the new concept here. Okay, so like another example, if we take 36 square, if you want to find 36 square, so tell me this number is nearby 50, so base will be the 25. So orally tell me how much lesser than 50? Lesser than 50 is 14. Okay, this 14 will be the subtracted from the base number. So base number is 25 minus 14, and the answer will be 11. Okay, and this number square is 14 square is 196. See, this is the left part, this is the left part, and this will be the right part. Okay, this will be the right part. So this 11 and this here, if you find any square of single digit, then what the value will be? 2 digits we will count only, not the 3 digits. So this one will be the carry to the left part, and we will add this one in the left part, and it will become 12. This is the left part, and this 96 will come here. So answer will be 1296. So this is the trick, we find the squares nearby 50. So any number you can find easily, very easily. Okay, so next thing is that if any number ends with 5, so if any number ends with 5, like numbers you can take 45, 55, 65. Okay, so these numbers square, how you will find? That's the thing. So 45, 55, 65. So I will tell you very simple trick. So like 45 you want to find, 45 square, or 55 square, or 65 square. Any number ends with 5. If you want to find the square, it will take less than 10 seconds. I will tell you. So 5 square, every time you will write 25, 25 and 25. Okay, and next thing is that what is the next number of 4? 4 into 5, and answer will be 20. This 20 you will write here. What is the next number of 5? 5 into 6, and it will be 30. This 30 you will write here. Same thing, 6 into 7 into 7 is 42, and you can directly write 42 here. So like that we can find easily. So I hope you got it. The next technique is if number is more than 50. Okay, same technique is there. So like if you want to find 54 square, okay, base is 25. How much more than 50? 4. So earlier we took example of like lesser number than 50, so we subtracted from 25. Now we will add in 25. How much more than 50? 4. So 25 plus 4 is 29. Okay, and this 4 square is 16. This will be the left part, this will be the right part, and you can directly write 2916. So see how easy we are finding squares. And the next thing is, I will tell you next concept. So see, if you want to multiply 47 multiplied by 46, so how easy it can be. So you can write 47 46 plus 1 and multiplied by 46. 46 square plus 46. 46 square you can easily get. How much lesser than 50? It will be the 4, and base number is 25. 25 minus 4 is 21. See here, 21. And 4 square 16, 21 16. How easily we got the answer? See, 52. How much more than 50? 2. So that number will be added in the base part. 25 plus 2 27, and 2 square is 4. But see, 2 digit number we have to make. Okay, so 0 we will add before that, to 27 04. So next part I will discuss the square nearby 100. So thanks guys for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the video.